Hey there, are you ready to revolutionize your business? Let me introduce you to HighLevel's AI Employee, your new secret weapon. In just a few minutes, you'll discover how this powerful tool can automate everything, saving you time and boosting your efficiency. First up, Voice AI, your 24/7 virtual receptionist. Imagine never missing another lead. Voice AI answers missed calls, collects important information, and handles basic inquiries. And the best part? Unlimited call minutes without extra costs. You can even design custom voice workflows tailored to your business needs. Next, Conversation AI. Your customers crave personalized, intelligent interactions. With Conversation AI, you can deliver just that across SMS, Facebook, and Instagram. Real-time support, 24/7, and unlimited interactions, all without needing an OpenAI API key. Keep your customers engaged and your communications on brand. Now let's talk about Reviews AI. Positive reviews are crucial for your business. Reviews AI automates review requests and responses, making reputation management a breeze. Customize responses for platforms like Google and Facebook, and stay consistent across channels. You can set Reviews AI on autopilot or use suggestive mode for a personal touch. Struggling with content creation? Content AI is your personal writing assistant. Generate blog posts, social media content, emails, and more, up to 10 times faster than manual writing. Plus, get AI-generated images to make your posts visually engaging. High-quality content tailored to your brand, ready in a click. Workflow AI Assistant is next. This tool is your guide to mastering automation. Understand, build, and customize workflows effortlessly. Simply tell the AI assistant what you need, and it'll outline the steps to create workflows tailored to your goals. Finally, Funnel AI. Need high-converting pages fast? Funnel AI designs stunning pages optimized to convert, with 60 to 70% of the work done for you. Just add your custom touches, no coding required. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link below to sign up for free now and start revolutionizing your business with HighLevel's AI Employee. Your efficiency and growth await. Thanks for watching.